Okay, good day everyone. Today we are going to discuss about subsets. Now, subset is one of the relationships on sets na itatakil natin ngayon. Okay, what is a subset? Okay, if every member of a set A is also a member of set B, then set A is said to be a subset of B and denoted by the symbol to. Yan ang symbol ng subset. Example, we have here set A contains the element of 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Set B contains the element of 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now, here, no, since all the elements in A can be found in elements of B, therefore, A is a subset of B, and B is also a subset of A. So, it can be interchanged. Okay? Itong symbol na to, no, it is used for superset. No? As you can see here, nagagamit lang yung superset once na i-reverse natin yung given sets, no? From A to B, naging B to A, magiging superset na yon. Although lagi na kumbaga pag gumamit ka ng subset, you can also use a superset. Paras lang naman ang meaning doon. So do not be confused kasi yan ang isa sa dahilan bakit hindi nakaka-correct yung yung mga previous students ko regarding this topic kasi nalilito daw sila sa subset at superset. You can use either of these two. Okay? Symbols and notations. Okay? So may mga symbols and notations din pagdating sa subset. Una, itong tinatawag na proper subset. As you can see, the difference between a subset and the proper subset, now as you can see, wala siyang line sa baba. So, ibig sabihin proper subset 'yon. Example, set A contains the element of 1, 2, and 3. Set B contains the elements of 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. As you can see, all the elements in A can be found in set B. Therefore, set A is a proper subset of B. Okay, yan ang difference, no? All elements in set A can be found in set B, but not all the elements in set B can be found in set A. Now, yung 1, 2, 3 from set A, nakita natin sa set B, pero yung 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, hindi natin nakita kay set A. Okay? So, therefore, A is a proper subset of B. Pag sinabi kasi ng subset class, na parang sa organizations, na may mga subordinates yung mga officials doon. Yun ang best example for subset. Okay? Ibig sabihin, si set A, subordinate siya ni set B. Kumbaga, mas superior set B kay set A. The next, this one, no? Subset of and the superset of. Okay, tulad ng unang example ko kanina. Example, here, set A contains the element of 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And set B contains the element of 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 also. Therefore, set A is a subset of B and B is a superset of A. Okay? So, pag binaliktad natin, superset. No? Pero pag sinunod natin from A to B, subset yon. Okay? Pwede rin maging set B is a subset of A. Pwede rin yon. No? Kasi pares lang naman sila ng mga elements. Now, kailan natin gagamitin yung proper subset at yung subset, no? So nagagamit natin yung proper subset tulad nitong number 1, no? Set A contains the element of 1, 2, and 3. Tatlong elements lang meron siya. When set B contains the element of 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, meron siyang 5 elements. So dito natin magamit yung proper subset kapag hindi equal yung number of elements of two sets. Okay? And then, if all the sets in the first set or in set A can be found in set B, but not all the elements in set B can be found in set A. Okay, gagamit lang tayo ng proper subset doon. Pero, kung para sila ng number of elements, no? Subset 'yan ang gagamitin natin. Or kaya superset. Next is a proper superset of, no? Kung yung subset may superset, dito naman sa proper subset, meron din siyang proper superset kung tawagin. Example, set B contains the element of 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and set A contains the element of 1, 2, and 3. So doon sa example number 1, no, ginamit ko ulit, pero binaliktad ko lang sila ng position. Mas nauna si set B kay set A. Now, mangyayari, no, your A, lang, may mali dito, wait lang. Sensya, hindi ko na-edit tong video ko. Ayusin ko lang yung presentation, no? This is B. And this one is A. A. Ay, ulitin ko, no? Ito yung symbol na to. Okay? This one is used for a proper superset of, no? So, tulad ng ginamit yung example kanina sa number 1, we have here set B contains the element of 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and set A contains the element of 1, 2, and 3. Therefore, your set B is a proper superset of A. Why? Okay? Because all the elements of B, no, not all, actually, not all the elements in B can be found in set A, but all the elements in A can be found in set B. So dito talaga baga pinapakita na si set B mas superior siya kay set A, no? Kasi nakikita natin yung elements ng set A dito kay set B. Pero yung 4 and 5, which is also the element of set B, cannot be found in set A. Kaya tinawag na si set B proper superset of A. Okay? Next, okay, itong symbol naman, no? This one is used, no, for not a subset of, no? If you are going to check for the relationship between two sets, no? Gagamitin natin tong not a subset of. Okay. If, no? If there is a missing at least one element from set A to set B. Now, example this one, set A contains the elements of A, B, and C, while set B contains the element of A, B, D, E. Now, your A is not a subset of B. Why? Okay, check natin yung mga elements. Kay set A, meron siyang letter A na small letter. Ganun din kay set B. Set A, meron din siyang small letter B as an element. Kay set B, meron din siyang small letter B as an element. But set A, no, has a small letter C as an element, and B do not have any letter C or small letter C as an element. Wala siyang letter C. Okay, therefore, your A is not a subset of B. Kasi nga, isang element ni A ang isang element lang ni A ang nawala, no? Hindi natin nakita kay set B, automatic 'yun. No, automatic 'yun na si set A is not a subset of B. Okay, unlike dun sa number 1, no, lahat ng elements ni A nakita natin kay B. Okay? Pero dito sa number 4, not all the elements in A can be found in B. And vice versa, not all elements of B cannot be found in set A. Therefore, A is not a subset of B. Okay? Now, let us have an exercise. No? Use all the symbols and notations in a subset to compare the following. Okay. For set A contains the element of 1, 3, 7, and set B contains the element of 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9. Now, what would be the relationship between set A and set B? Okay. So, magiging si set A, no, is a proper subset of B. No? Why? Kasi lahat ng elements ni A nakita natin kay B. Yung 1, 3, 7, nandito rin. No? So, walang nalaktawan na ni isang element from A dito kay set B. Next, set C contains the element of 2, 4, 6, 3, and 7. And set D contains the element of 2, 3, 4, 6, and 7. Okay? So, what would be the relationship between these two? Okay? Set C is a subset or a superset of D. No? So, you can use either of these two. No? Iko-consider ko yon. Okay? Kasi interchangeable naman sila. The next, number 3, set E contains the element of 10, 12, 14, and 16. Well, set F contains the element of 12, 14, 15, 10, 8, and 9. Now, check natin yung mga elements. Kay set E, meron siyang 10. Meron din kay set F. 12 kay set E, meron din kay set F. 14 kay set E, meron din kay set F. 16, meron kay set E, kay set F, wala. Therefore, isang na-miss natin na element from set E to set F. Therefore, set E is not a subset of F. Okay? Next. Set G now contains the element of 1, 2, 3, 4, and 4, 5, and 6. No? And set H contains the element of 2 and 4. Okay. Kumbaga, nauna yung mas marami kaysa sa mas konti. Ano yung mga palatandaan natin, ha? Now, lahat ng elements ng set H makikita natin kay set G. Therefore, set G is a proper superset of H. Is a proper superset of H. Okay? Yan ang correct answer dyan. Next, set I contains the element of A, B, C, D, and set J contains the elements of A, B, C, D, E. Therefore, check muna natin elements, no? A, meron ding A kay J. Small letter B kay I, meron din kay J. C, meron din. D, meron din. Therefore, set I is a proper subset of set J. Okay? So that's it. Okay. Thank you for listening. And please do not forget again to answer the exercises below. No? And then if you have any questions, no, just PM me. Okay? I-personal message na lang ako, then I will answer it. Ha? Okay, that's all and goodbye.